Let's talk about that ritual you call research. You're not just buying something, you're entering the sacred temple of reviews. A restaurant, a hotel, a laptop, even a $7 phone case. It doesn't matter. You scroll and scroll and scroll, because somehow someone else's experience needs to approve your choice before you're allowed to live with it. You don't read 2 reviews, you read 247, and still can't decide. But before we go further, if this kind of uncomfortable honesty information matters to you, you'll want to be here. This channel is about understanding why we do what we do, so we can stop repeating it. If that's your lane, subscribe. It tells the algorithm who this is for, and it makes sure these conversations keep showing up in your feed. And you may consider sharing it with someone who's quietly stuck in the same loop. All right, let's get into it. You don't just check reviews, you study them like holy scripture. One stranger says, "Best thing I ever bought." Another says, "Worst product in human history." You read both, like each one personally knows your soul, your budget, and your bathroom lighting. You're not shopping, you're looking for a profit. You tell yourself it's smart, responsible, careful, but here's the truth. You're not scrolling to learn, you're scrolling to eliminate risk. You want 0 disappointment, 0 mistakes, 0 regret. You're not buying an object, you're trying to buy certainty, and certainty isn't for sale, so you keep scrolling. This isn't shopping anymore, it's emotional insurance. You're not asking, is this product good? You're asking, if this goes wrong, can I blame anyone but myself? You're outsourcing confidence to strangers. Your brain loves reviews for 3 reasons. First, social proof. If enough people like it, I'm safe. Second, fear of regret. You don't fear wasting money, you fear blaming yourself. Third, perfection paralysis. If you keep researching it, you never have to decide. And if you never decide, you never risk being wrong. So your brain convinces you, one more review, one more opinion, one more page, just one more, until you forget what you even wanted in the first place. You didn't research a product. You drowned in permission. You trust 320 people who gave this 5 stars. A total stranger with blurry profile photo is now more trusted than your own judgment. This isn't about consumer habits, it's about identity. Because at some point you stopped trusting yourself. You don't believe, I can choose, I can decide, I can handle regret if it comes. Instead, you believe someone else must know better. Other people are smarter. My judgment is suspicious, so you borrow courage from strangers you will never meet. You outsource confidence to usernames who don't even know your life. It's not about the product, it's about the fact that you no longer trust yourself. But here's the problem. No amount of reviews can protect you from the reality of being human. You will choose wrong sometimes. You will buy things you don't like. You will regret decisions. You will occasionally waste time, money, effort. That's not failure, that's adulthood. Scrolling reviews endlessly isn't intelligence, it's fear wearing a responsible costume. You keep reading, not because you're curious, but because you're terrified of saying, I chose this was my call. And here's the sting. If you need the world's approval to choose a coffee machine, how do you ever choose a career, a city, a partner, or even a life? If you need 300 opinions to feel safe, you're not choosing, you're hiding. And when you finally do buy it, you still check the reviews anyway. Because now the reviews aren't for the decision, they're for the anxiety hangover. You can't enjoy what you bought because you're busy justifying buying it. You don't own the item owns your mind for the next 48 hours. So what do? Simple rule, use reviews for context, not courage. Scan, don't drown, learn, don't delay, then choose. Not because it's guaranteed right, but because you decided. Confidence isn't built by being right all the time. It's built by proving you can handle being wrong. You don't need strangers to approve your choices for your life to be valid. At some point, your life must stop being a group project. So, yes, you scroll reviews like they hold the meaning of life. You don't just check them, you worship them. So the next time you're lost in the review section, ask yourself, am I learning something, or am I just afraid to live with my own decision? Because information helps you, but endless reviews, they don't protect you. They just keep you from trusting yourself.